I have seen some reports in social media that people have tried hypnosis and it didn't work for them. Well, I'm lucky to be able to say that every single one of my clients have obtained the results from hypnotherapy. It's usually one session and that's it. Normally I ring to follow up and find out how they are coping, but always they have obtained the results. Some people have got rid of their pain completely, and others managed to reduce their pain to a level that they are comfortable with, that they can go back to their work or their activities that they love the most. So for hypnosis to work, you really need to be in touch with someone who is competent, who is properly trained, and who understands how they can induce someone into a hypnotic state and what they have to do to change all the conditioning that is there in the unconscious or subconscious mind. The other important factor is that whoever is going in hypnosis needs to be comfortable enough to let go of control, because the control is yours regardless. We don't take control over anybody, but some people are scared. They're just scared to relax. They are scared to close their eyes. So that needs to be managed before we deliver a hypnosis session. I wish you good luck and I wish you the best to manage your pain.